Hi everyone, so today we're gonna learn how to make a sweet birthday card on Canva. So for that I have taken this gradient effect on this page, and now I can change its color according to me. If it's available, you can change it. So let me just do it something like pinkish. And now on the search box, I'm gonna search some pink background for some designs and text and patterns. I'll open another page and I'll just copy this text over here because I really like this writing. So from here, I am going to copy this and then I'm gonna paste this, and then we can change it. Like we can rewrite it as happy birthday, or you can write anything that you really want, because we are making a happy birthday card. So that's why I am writing happy birthday. So now I'm going to click on elements and I'm going to search cupcakes. You can search anything over here. There are a lot of elements over here. So I have taken this cupcake, this cute little cupcake, and I'm going to just put it here. Then I'm going to search a lot more cupcakes like that. And from here you can do a lot of things and you can create a lot of stuff from this. So we can do like that. So I have created this one. I have pasted balloons, and now I'm going to write one more heading over here, wishing you all the happiness. And you can get this from the text in the left side, and then you can change the calligraphy according to you. And I really wanted this a different color, maybe some pink color, because that's really cute for a birthday card. And you can resize it accordingly. Like you can increase the size, you can short it, you can make it look in 2 lines. And this is the card that I've made, the final look. And you can even write the name of yours, like from XYZ, and then you can download it from here. So that's it. Subscribe for more.